Hey my 3D printing family, this is Mark with Upgrades Complete, and the moment I have been waiting for, the CR-10 Mini I got refurbished from Comgrow is here, and it is printing. I didn't even print a calibration cube on this, so what you see is what you get. This is straight out of the box, leveled with an eyeball and a piece of paper, and it looks like our first layer is adhering perfectly. I am using generic regular PLA filament at 205 degrees, 60 degree bed, and this machine is quiet. This is more quiet than my Ender 3 V2. I'm really impressed by what I'm seeing. You can see where I started, the filament started to extrude for the first time. So of course the first half layer did not lay down, but it picked up right there and then moved right over to the print surface, where I am seeing no warping, perfect adhesion, and keep up with me because this is going to be a fun print, and also this first print. And here we are back at the bed. 27 minutes have elapsed. 205, 60 degree bed, Amazon generic PLA, and it is laying nicely on the raft. I'm really happy with this. This print should take about 6 hours, so I will cut in the final piece when it's done. But just to share for a moment with you my thoughts on the CR-10 Mini, this machine is about as perfect could be. In fact, why the Ender 3 V2 is recommended as a starter printer over this one is beyond me, as I feel this printer requires much less when it comes to add-ons and dialing in. I honestly expect print failure right off the bat. This is not what I was expecting, but I do have a pretty good eye, and as you can see, it looks good. So the next thing you will see is the finished product, and I hope you enjoyed this first print video of my Comgrow refurbished Creality CR-10 Mini. And here we are, final results, 5.5 hours later. Really nice detail. Really smooth, no layer lines. Gorgeous. Of course, the horns are printed over to the side. Fantastic job. 5 hours, 39 minutes. First print on this machine. Take that, calibration cube. I'll take Loki. And for those of you that like post-credit sequences, the 800% version will be done tomorrow.